So everyone knows that the best way to eat a fresh peach in the dead of summer is leaning over the kitchen sink with all that good sweet peach juice dripping down your chin, right? But do you know the second and third best ways to eat a peach in the dead of summer? Well, I do. And I'm giving a class about them called Peachy Keen. Isn't that just adorable? Next weekend on Sunday, June 22nd, so you can find out too. Let me whet your appetite. First up is peach mascarpone pound cake. Now, I've made a lot of pound cakes over the years, but this one is in a class all its own. The secret, or at least one of them, is the mascarpone cheese. It gives the cake this velvety, delicate texture that's the perfect backdrop for the diced peaches. I think of it as a casual, any time of day cake, but we especially like dressing it up with sliced peaches and yogurt for breakfast. Now next up, we're putting our peaches where we often put them here at the Pie Academy, in a pie crust. But not just any crust, and not just any pie. The pie in question, or should I say pies in question, are these sweet little peach hand pies made with our homemade fresh peach filling. As for the pastry, it practically melts in your mouth thanks to the cake flour that we work into the dough. That's right, cake flour, and if you've never tried it, you're going to love this dough. Now, these pies are the perfect bake and take dessert, something that'll come in handy all summer long. So that's it, 2 Peachy Keen recipes that'll make your summer even more unforgettable than it already promises to be. I hope you'll join us. The sign-up information is below. And don't forget, if you can't join us live, you can always join us later because you get lifetime access to the replay and the recipes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in class.